Charmaine Camilleri. I've been with Hellmann for over 4 years. I'm the head of contract logistics. I look after all of the warehouses in Australia for Hellmann. A brand new facility in Truganina for contract logistics Hellmann. We are sitting on just over 18,600 square metres. 18,000 square metres of that is warehousing. We cater for almost 19,000 pallet spaces racked. Obviously it was a brand new site, so it was a greenfield facility that had been built and we needed to optimise our racking, and our timeline was quite short. So we were hitting into our facility by November, but we also needed to be on site by January. Safer Storage was able to complete the project within 45 days, which was unheard of. So that was a big ticket item for us. The sustainability option was also a major ticket item, and the fact that it was Australian made. The fact that I was able to engage Safer Storage not just for the racking, but also for the line marking, the Armco guards, the racking guards, the label on the racking, the signage on the racks, the removal and relocation of our mesh decks, and anything else that I needed. They were able to cater for that. It was great that I wasn't just able to engage them just for racking. So for me, any other business thinking about using Safer Storage systems, I probably wouldn't even go to tender. It'd be a no-brainer. I'd be just going straight to them.